Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
What you need to know about benzoyl peroxide. One of the most common ingredients found in acne treatment medications is benzoyl peroxide. It is known for its acne-fighting properties. It is a chemical found in organic peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is called an active ingredient in products because it causes a chemical change upon contact with the skin. It produces a chemical compound of benzoic acid and oxygen that peels the top layer of dead cells off the skin surface. Benzoyl peroxide is found in a wide variety of products because it is known for its mildness on the skin. Another of the most common ingredients found with benzoyl peroxide is salicylic acid. A combination of these two active ingredients is found in popular acne treatment brands like Oxy-10 and Clearasil. While both have been it has not been totally proven in cases where the salicylic acid is applied topically, but if you're a mother, do you really want to run that risk? The best idea is to stay away from the salicylic acid completely. There are many products out there that are effective that have no salicylic acid. One of the most popular acne treatments sold today is Proactive Solution, a product that is endorsed by many high-profile celebrities including Jessica Simpson, Puff Daddy, and Lindsay Lohan. Clean, moist skin is one of the most important factors in maintaining and preventing further acne. Of course, there are cases where benzoyl peroxide has been reported to irritate and dry out the skin. Dry and irritated skin and hair follicles have the highest susceptibility to new acne, so it is important to have the correct dosage of benzoyl peroxide for your own personal needs. http://http://crescatsententia.org Proactive has a fairly low level of benzoyl at 2.5%, which helps keep skin irritation to a minimal.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.